Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in unique and helpful products. Today, we're diving into a fantastic find for your fall festivities, the Lakkity pumpkin color curly ribbon bows. If you're looking to elevate your Thanksgiving gift wrapping or simply add a festive touch to your holiday decor, these self-adhesive ribbon bows might just be what you need. The Lakkity pumpkin color curly ribbon bows are the best Thanksgiving ribbon bows for all your decorative needs. Whether you're preparing gifts for loved ones, decorating your home for Thanksgiving, or creating beautiful centerpieces, these bows deliver a charming burst of color and style. The rich burnt orange hue is perfect for the fall season, adding warmth and vibrancy to any setup. With 12 bows in each pack, you'll have plenty to work with to make your gifts stand out in your decor pop. One of the best features of these ribbon bows is their ease of use. They come with self-adhesive backing, which means you can quickly and easily stick them onto presents, wreaths, or any other item you're decorating. There's no need for complicated tying or extra tools. Simply peel and stick. This makes them ideal for those looking to save time while still achieving a polished, festive look. The curly ribbon design adds a playful touch, making these bows perfect for any occasion that calls for a bit of extra flair. Whether it's a birthday, Halloween, or even a holiday party, these bows bring that festive atmosphere right to your fingertips. You'll be able to create stunning gift wraps or add some fall spirit to your party favors in no time. Not only are these ribbons easy to use, but they're also durable, so they will hold up well during your celebrations. Their self-adhesive design ensures they stay in place throughout your events, whether on a package or attached to a decorative wreath. And if you need to reposition them, the adhesive allows for easy removal without leaving any residue behind. So, if you want to make your Thanksgiving gifts and home decorations shine this season, the Lakkity pumpkin color curly ribbon bows are the perfect solution. These bows are designed to provide that ideal blend of convenience, style, and seasonal charm, making them a must-have for your fall festivities. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews. Happy decorating, and we'll see you next time.